While the Chandrayaan has landed on the moon, a new TVS has landed here in Dubai. It's called the X. It's priced at rupees 2.49 lakh and it's a sporty maxi electric scooter. There's a lot to talk about here. So welcome to PowerDrift, welcome to Dubai, and let's talk about the TVS X. Let's start with the juice, and juicing the TVS X is a 4.4 kilowatt hour battery. 3.8 of those kilowatt hours is usable, and that's good for an IDC claimed range of 140 kilometers. Of course, the big talking point here is performance, and TVS is promising a lot of really serious numbers. 0 to 40, it comes up in 2.6 seconds. For reference, an Ather 450X takes about 3.3 seconds for that same sprint. 105 kilometers per hour top speed. The motor is 7 kilowatt constant and 11 kilowatt peak, which is about 15 horsepower. Those are serious numbers, but at that price, they do have to be serious numbers, right? Now, those of you with a good memory will remember back at the 2018 Auto Expo, we saw the Creon concept. So this design isn't something TVS has just dreamed up yesterday, but I really like how they've translated it from concept to reality. There's some really cool details here. There's slashes, there's cuts, there's creases. And while the iQube they have in their range did look conventional, this is young, it's sharp, it's edgy, and it looks fast even while it's standing still. Now, under the skin is an all-new high-strength aluminium frame. TVS is calling it the Zelatin, which is quite a cool name. And it also has an offset rear monoshock, which looks really cool, especially on a scooter. It's on 12-inch tires on both ends with bespoke, grippy rubber. Now, I'll talk about the features because there are a lot of features to talk about. There are 3 different riding modes. There's a massive 10.25-inch screen, which you can stream YouTube on, you can play Reels on. There is smartphone connectivity, you can pair your smartwatch to it. There is navigation, over-the-air updates, a lot of personalization. You can set your own wallpapers, you can customize the layout. So this screen is packing a lot of technology in itself. It is also tilt adjustable, and I honestly think this is the biggest screen I've seen on a scooter. It looks really, really big. Whether it will be distracting or not distracting, we'll find out once we ride it. Now, aside from that, it has single channel ABS, it has adjustable levers, and even cruise control.
So the question is, who will get this? Clearly, TVS isn't targeting the masses with the X or pitching this as a commuting tool. They're targeting the enthusiasts. But will you guys be ready to shell out that much money for an elevated scooter experience? Time will tell. Bookings are open today and deliveries start in November. And before I end this video, I want to say thank you for watching PowerDrift. This was our quick first look at the TVS X, and stay tuned for more coverage on it.